Hey, hello Param, welcome to our audience ask segment. And here are my few quick questions for you. My first one: what qualities and skills should a good designer have?
Uh, One, have a deep empathy for people, for human beings, for people that you're solving the problems for. Look at the project or anything that you're trying to solve for from their perspective. Second, uh, curiosity. Third, experimentation sort of mindset, the ability to try things out and to learn and to fail through that process. Four, humility, the ability to learn and to realize that you're not always right. You're not right, in fact, most of the time you have to learn and take people along. And the last I would say is collaboration, right? The ability to work with people from different skills, different backgrounds, different mindsets, and to be able to connect the dots between all of that.
Interesting. My next one, Param, an AI based product that you recommend everyone to use.
Well, that's a hard one. Well, since I spoke about this a while, maybe the robot to clean the house, I think, is a good example, given that we've just come out of lockdown and COVID and having to do a lot of domestic chores on your own. So I think maybe I'll go with that. The robot cleaner in the house.
Super. My next one, a great way to learn designing is.
A great way to learn designing is by doing it yourself, by going out there, experimenting, meeting real people, understanding their pain points, understanding what they're dealing with in their day-to-day life, observing and learning from that, and then and then experimenting with what might be a good solution to solve that. That's the simplest way to learn design.
My last one, a book that every designer should read.
I'll probably give two, right? I mean, there are a couple of seminal books that are very foundational and very important in any designer's handbook. One is, of course, Design Norman's book, The Design of Everyday Things. That is very, very foundational. The other is any book that talks about Dieter Rams and his work, where he talks about his principles of design, the 10 principles, or some of the there's a nice coffee table book that showcases all the work that was done at Braun and especially by Dieter Rams over several decades. All of those are very inspiring and very they bring you to the essence of what good design is. So that's what I would recommend. And maybe a third one I'll add in there. Sorry, but I'm a big fan of Jeffrey Bawa and his architecture work in Sri Lanka. So I see a lot of connections there as well. So yeah.
Great. Thank you, Param. Thank you so much for doing this. It was exciting talking to you.
Thank you, Rohit, and thank you to the team. I'm sorry about the time it took to get to this. Thank you for following up and making it happen. Thank you.